everyone, so we're going for a walk, me and Mom.
For Hurricane Matthew.
Getting ready from Hurricane Matthew to
Hit the state of Florida.
And
destroy the world.
So
Yeah, there you go. That I gotta have support. That's what's gonna come up. So
okay, so I just thought I'd say that, and once again I only have mascara and like lipstick on, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the lipstick I got that I lost, but my dad found for me. So let me go ahead. Here it is. It's right here. It's pretty much just like a tint, but it makes your lips a lot lighter and it gives them nice colors. So it's very nice, and I'll see you on the walk. Bye.